Hi, Nick Morgan here from EuroYouth Mental Health. I'm reflecting on the work that's been achieved by us in 2017 on the first of a day of a brand new year. I wanted to update and give people a insight into what we've done and to what else we are hoping to do in the future. 2017 has been an incredibly exciting year for us as an organisation. And I guess one of the most exciting things when I say us is that we are now an us. It's not just myself, which it has been for a while. I've met loads of amazing people at various events over the last year. But these two people who have joined to help me steer the ship and really prop my back up and help my resilience stay focused in order to make this dream a reality. And it's Nives from Croatia and Irena from Hungary, who's currently living in Spain. Both have experience in mental health backgrounds and psychology and intercultural work. And I couldn't be more pleased to be working with two incredibly enthusiastic and amazing people. And I can't thank them enough for getting involved. Some other exciting news: we are now officially a community interest company, which is a legal entity in the UK, and we're formally recognised as, essentially it's kind of like being a smaller charity, but it means we can get charitable bank accounts and apply for fundings and things now to start doing more work to spread our word across Europe and to do the work that we'd like to do. So that's incredibly exciting. We're applying for our bank account now. So that was incredibly exciting. At the beginning of the year, we delivered our first piece of work at the European Youth Forum's YoFest, which was held in Maastricht, where we did some very informal conversations and games around what keeps you mental health positive, of which I remember music was the most popular one, but also just had some really interesting conversations with young people from across Europe who were attending the event, which definitely goes to show, and I've attended a lot of events this year and everyone has a story about mental health. It just goes to show that it is on people's agenda and it might just needs to be highlighted a bit more. We also, with that in mind, we've started our Mental Stories campaign on getting young people from across Europe to reflect on their experiences in mental health in different countries, helping us to paint a picture really of what the current state of mental health support and stigma and the image that mental health gives is across Europe at the moment. So we've had a few of those put out. We're also currently been collaborating with Mental Health Europe, we're a not-for-profit based in Brussels, to create a map of helplines for young people with mental health difficulties across Europe. So we've been talking across our network and friends and people to put together a list of numbers which they hope to publish in a report next year, which we will this year, which we'll continue to be involved in. We've got more followers on Twitter and Facebook. That is slowly getting up quite a lot. There's usually at least one follower a day or every other day coming up, which doesn't sound like a lot, but the more it trickles, the more it spreads. And then lastly, I guess one of the other amazingly successful things is, and Irena should take a lot of credit for this, having wrote the bulk of the application. We've successfully gained funding to go to the European Youth event, which is held every 2 years at the European Parliament in Strasbourg, and this is going to be in June, to deliver a workshop at the event and bring 10 people with us to stay there. This is huge, and we could possibly, there's a good couple of thousand young people from across Europe attend this event. So we have the opportunity to have conversations and to spread the word and to learn more about what is going on at the moment. With that in mind, that's it really. So watch this space, get in contact if you'd like to know more, and if you'd like to lend a hand and like to be involved in a bit more helping us get this work out there, please do contact us. So have a fantastic 2018 and you'll hear from us soon. Bye.